Hello guys, good morning to everyone again.
Ngayon guys, ituturo ko
Ito guys,
kung paano ang
pinapakita ko
proper
kung
breathing
paano
at
ang proper
proper
breathing ng
push-up, guys.
push-up guys. At yung
Para
proper form and
mabilis yung
proper
improvement ko, guys.
posture ng push-up guys.
Example,
Kung
ito,
paano
guys,
natin i-apply ang pag-breath guys. 1 up, down, 2 up. Inhale, exhale guys. Yun ang proper natin guys. So, kailangan nakafocus tayo palagi guys at concentrate guys. So, kung gusto nyo i-try guys, subukan ninyo guys na gawin itong pinapakita kong proper push-up guys. Para mabilis yung improvement ng iyong pag-push up guys. Tulad ito guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pati yung form dapat guys is kailangan na maganda yung posture mo guys. Para hindi ka mawala sa focus guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you again my next vlog. Bye bye.